I guess Instagram's important. I'm gonna start posting shit to it.
That's fucking insane. Crackles. Ready? Hold on. All right, we're gonna do. He's gonna give this. What? Hold on here. What tune is it? You have a two-step?
Yeah. My tuner is Gabe. He has a.
Oh, okay.
I have like the flame map.
I know Gabe.
Yeah. Pop map, bass map, but the one I'm gonna do is pop. So it's like pop and flame, so it pops really loud.
Okay. All right. So this is a Tomei exhaust with Motordyne art pipes, and let's hear what it sounds like. Yep. Go ahead. Damn, dude. That's fucking unbelievable. That's actually ear piercing. It actually shakes your entire body. Dude, my exhaust is not that loud at all. Dude, I thought, like, when it popped, I thought, no, I had no idea it sounds like that. Holy fucking shit, that's loud as shit, dude.
It's a Tomei, bro, so it helps a lot with the Tomei.
Woo.
Single legs in.
Dude, it takes it to loud and then above, like, loud, like a painful loud. Yeah, like, it sounds like a gunshot,
dude.
You
can hear it, like, it sounds like a 50 caliber, just a gunshot from a distance.
Oh, wow. No, no, you would definitely win on a rev battle.
You need the tune, bro, on the Jeep. It's never too late.
I don't want to, because I feel like it's like hurting your engine when it makes that noise.
If you do it too much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because it's like, blah, blah, blah. So when your RPMs, what was it doing? Bouncing off 4 and 5?
So you have to get up to like 5200 RPMs.
Yeah.
You get it higher, and then as it goes back up, you just slightly tap on the gas pedal. Once you tap on the gas pedal, as it's going up, it just backfires like that.
Really?
Yeah.
As
long as you're over 5200, you tap the gas pedal, it just does it.
It's dropping fuel in there. That's what it's doing.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what, because when I was back, I actually had to pull away and go like this.
Did you see any flames?
No.
It's kind of hard right
It's
now.
kind of hard.
Yeah.
I'll see if this did or not. looks so fucking good. Who did?
The guy that we saw.
Oh yeah?
Kate thinks
He already knew who you were, huh?
yeah, he was like, hey, you're the dude this one.
Oh, the silver one we met in traffic?
Yeah, the one we just saw.
Man, that's how important Instagram is.
I'm telling you, bro.
I need to get on. I'm gonna get on it.
More, like post like maybe once or twice a week.
Yeah, I'm starting to.
You're like, oh, hey, your video dropped. You know what I mean?
Yep. I'm catching up with the kids, dude. I was in a time capsule. Hell yeah. Is it on yet? Alright, what we're going to do here is, I'm sure you guys are curious because we are. Let's hear the Tomei with Motordyne Art Pipes versus Motordyne Shockwave with Motordyne Art Pipes. So, let's go ahead and get a little rev here. Jacob. There you go. Should be recording now. Alright, so now after hearing Jacob's, we're going to go over here and hear Motordyne Shockwave, Motordyne Art Pipes. It's not near as loud as the Tomei, but it's up there. She crackles.
It does.
Alright,
That's pretty good.
let's see what we got on this one.
Thank you.
So if you guys are curious on following this sick ass G, Jacob, you can follow him out here on is that Media?
Yeah, Infinite Media.
Infinite Media. I thought it said Mafia for a second. My sunglasses, I can't read. And then over here is his other handle on Instagram. So go ahead and give him a follow. You guys can keep following this G. It's an amazing ride. I really enjoyed filming it. The lighting's really good right here. Yeah. Are you gonna leave going down this way?
What's best you want to do?
I'd leave going down this way because you just go left out of here.
Okay.
I just get you a shot pulling away.
Alright, ready?
Yep.